if you're walking out in your shop floor, Adam, your production manager, you program this, your CEO, this matters, right? And you're looking at all the parts you have, and so you have different parts have different batch sizes, right? You need to make 200 of this one, or you need to make 10 of this one.
Yeah.
You know, when you look at it, is there like a limit on batch size? Like, if there's 10 of a part, will you put it on the Cobot program?
We actually discussed that very thing this morning.
Yeah.
He was telling me that probably 10 and under, he may lean on not. We had some that were 16, 20, 25, absolutely them.
So would it be fair for me to say 15 and above, it's almost a no-brainer, right? You're going to put it on the Cobot.
Yeah.
Below that, it's a little bit of an evaluation depending on the part.
Yeah.
However, even if it's below 15, but you're doing them repetitively, which means you're doing batches of 10, but you're doing a batch of 10 every month or every week,
yes,
you would take the time to fixture them and program it, and then you would run those out. Okay.